watching, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me.
Hey guys, welcome back. Here's another video. But first, if you're just new here, please subscribe my channel and leave a like on this video and click that notification bell to get notified to any Minecraft PE add-on showcase video I make. And please share my videos to your friends and family. So let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back, and now here we are. So today I am going to show you Anime Universe version 2.30. How about let's go to the resource pack and the behavior pack credits. And now guys, here we are, the resource pack and the behavior pack. So before using this add-on in the first place, make sure that you activate both the resource pack and the behavior pack of the Anime Universe add-on version 2.30. And the add-on creator guys, it's just in the description, in the add-on description, as you can see right there. You can read that. And there's another important thing, make sure that you active experimental gameplay too, so you can really and fully use this mod. And before we start, make sure that you watch till end and don't skip any moments to know how to use this add-on. How about let's get on with it, let's get started. Now here we are, and we're in Minecraft PE Bedrock Edition and Minecraft PE version 1.16.2 110. So if you wanna download that Minecraft that I used in this video, it's just in the description below. Feel free to download it. And how about let's get on with it. So the add-on we're about to showcase right now is the add-on Anime Universe version 2.30. As you can see, there's a lot of items, you guys, and if you're actually gonna use this add-on and you're actually gonna respawn on the world, you'll be automatically given on this 4 item. You have been given a training sword in this thing and a lucky block, random items in this thing. And as you can see right there, Anime Universe version 2. And if we're actually going to long press, as you can see, it is choosing, you guys. We're gonna go to One Piece or to Attack on Titan or Tokyo Ghoul or this thing. So for me, I'm gonna go to Attack on Titan. So we're just gonna long press to choose, and sneak. We're just gonna sneak to select. As you can see, fully working add-on. So how about now, let's choose the Attack on Titan. So all we have to do, if we're in this selection, we're just gonna go sneak to select. We're just gonna go sneak, and as you can see, I have been given on this item this and a blade. As you can see, really cool. In this, in the eyes. How about let's wear them in third person front. And now guys, we're in third person front. So how to wear it, just hold the item and long press. As you can see, I am wearing it and it goes with this effects. Really cool. And how about let's wear this too and long press again. And as you can see right there, really cool. As you can see right now, the model of the blade, you guys, really cool. It's really a 4D, and as you can see, the gas in there, it's a 1%. So if you're actually gonna hold this item and long press, it's gonna add a gas. Really cool. And now if we actually hold the blade and sneak, now we can go that hooking thing that they used to go in the Titan neck. Really cool add-on and fully working. So how about moving on? Let's go to some. As me, I am in the creative mode. I'm just gonna pick all the items in here. So now I'm gonna show you how to use this lucky blocks. How about let's go to the survival mode. And as you can see guys, we're in survival mode, and this is all the item that you get if you actually gonna destroy the lucky blocks, if you actually gonna destroy it. And as you can see, we've been given on this item. This is actually in the One Piece, so we're just gonna use this later. So but let's go back to the third person front. And now guys, here we are again in the third person front. As you can see, the eyes, it really had the HD textures, really cool. So if we're actually gonna hold the blade and long press, as you can see, it do that animation. Really cool add-on, as you can see right there. No way. How about let's use this power in this guy. So we're just gonna go long press. As you can see, it killing it, you guys. Really cool. And it goes with that move lot. Really cool. And as you can see, points, it's 56 right here. So how to add some AK points? Just hold the training sword and long press. As you can see, the AK points has been added if we actually gonna hold the training sword and long press. Really cool add-on, you guys. Fully working in survival mode. Key, as you can see right there, it's 50%. So all we have to do to add it, just gonna sneak. And as you can see, it is added, you guys. And will it go to 100? You'll be actually gonna give on this item. As you can see, micro key, really cool add-on, super realistic and fully working in survival mode. So moving on again, let's go to another anime, and let's go to Dragon Ball. How about let's pick this one and this one to this one. So but let's just stuck with this and let's take this off. So all we have to do to wear it, just hold the item and long press. As you can see right there, oh my god, it is really loud. It's really loud, you guys. I'm just gonna put the volume low. And now, you guys, as you can see, really cool textures. As you can see right there, no way. And if we're actually gonna go sneak, no way, fully working, you guys. As you can see, that key, it is growing, super realistic add-on. As you can see right there, you guys, the animation, it is really cool, really cool, you guys, and fully working. No way. And we're actually gonna go sprint. It goes with the again, really cool add-on. You can really use this add-on if you're in the survival mode or just enjoying it in the creative mode. This add-on is super realistic right now, as you can see. No way, super cool. So moving on, let's go through this Super Saiyan 1 and let's just go sneak. And as you can see right there, really cool add-on, you guys can really use this add-on. And moving on, let's go through this and we're just gonna long press. As you can see, the model really cool. And if we're actually going to sneak, the color is changed, you guys. Really cool add-on. No way, super realistic. And moving on, let's go through and this and the red one. So let's long press again. And as you can see, oh, this is changing. This one is changing. So how about let's just stick with this. So if we're actually gonna hold the item and long press, as you can see, guys, it's changing color. So now how about let's use this. Let's just go sneak. And now I am wearing it. Really cool add-on. As you can see, my hair right there, the model, super realistic, you guys. No way. So as this, we're just gonna hold this item and long press. No way, this is actually Goku hair. No way, super cool. And let's go through this, a long hair with that electric thing. Oh, let's sneak again. Super cool add-on. No way. And let's go with this Super Saiyan God. No way, you guys. Really cool add-on, super realistic. And how about let's go with this and long press again. As you can see, the textures is super realistic. No way. And if we're actually going to sneak, look at the red. No way, super cool. And moving on again, let's go to other anime. Oh, I forget about these two things. Let's just wear them, you guys. No way, let's wear them right now. Let's just hold the item and long press. As you can see right there, it's really big, you guys. No way. So but let's add the FOV. And now, guys, the FOV has been added, and now we can see it clearly. As you can see right there, look at the tail in the back, it's waving, you guys. And look at the realistic textures on it. Really cool. And moving on to this Zaro Dorado, just long press to wear it. And as you can see, pretty cool. It goes with the color. Now it is color yellow, which is represent to like a god or something.
What?
Really cool add-on. So how about let's just go back to normal and let's use other anime. So how about now let's try the Titans of the Attack on Titan in the anime. So let's go first with this guy, Colossal, the biggest. So all we have to do to be a Titan, just hold the item and long press. As you can see, look at the textures, because isn't it realistic? No way, I can't actually barely see it because it is really big. So but let's just add the FOV again. Now, guys, the FOV has been gone to maximum. As you can see, we can see it clearly right now. No way, look at the textures on this guy. Really cool. And it goes with the animation, the walking, running animation. No way, super realistic. And moving on again, let's go in this Titan. Just hold the item and long press. As you can see, no way, what is this Titan? Really cool. Look at the model in there. No way, guys. Look at the fur. Super realistic. And the textures is super cool. No way. No way, guys. This add-on is super great right now. Look at it. Way super realistic. And moving on to this Titan. Just long press and ooh, this is super realistic textures right now. So moving on to Eren. Let's go to Eren. Just hold the item and long press, and as you can see, the Eren looks pretty cool. Look at the hair on Eren. No way, super realistic, you guys. And there's actually a Berserker Eren, as you can see. Just hold the item and long press. And now, oh my god, this add-on is super cool right now. Oh, look at this. His ass is actually like glowing. And look at the textures. Look at the fire. Really cool. No way. And let's go to Colossal. Oh, this is gonna be a big Colossal. Just long press. And as you can see, even if the maximum, if OB can't even see the Colossal, no way, this Titan is really big. How about let's just choose another anime. And now let's go to Tokyo Ghoul. So but let's just pick them. Let's pick them first. And this one. So let's pick this one. And how about let's just stick with this. And all you have to do to wear it, guys, just hold the item and long press. As you can see, no way, really cool model. And moving on to this thing, just long press. And as you can see, oh, look at the animation on it. Really cool add-on, you guys. No way, super realistic. It's really waving in the model, super realistic. So how about let's go with this, just long press. Oh, this is like a wings. Really cool. Look at, oh, it goes with the animation, you guys, when we wear it. Really cool add-on. And moving on to this, just long press to wear it. And as you can see, the animation is still going. Really cool add-on. And let's long press this again to wear. No way, you guys, the model and the textures is super realistic, super HD. No way, you guys. But let's go through this. Super realistic model too. Just look at this. And look at my eyes. Look at my eyes, you guys. No way, super cool. And let's go through this, just long press. No way, guys, really cool add-on. You can really use this add-on, you guys, in long press. Oh, it goes with the animation. No way, super realistic. So how about moving on again? Let's go through another anime. So how about now let's go to One Piece. And we're just gonna go. There's actually some suit in here. As you can see, we can be a One Piece or we can be a Demon Slayer. Really cool add-on. How about let's pick this and his hat, of course. It's in the boots actually. As you can see, his hat. And all we have to do to wear it, just wear it like a chest plate. And this one, just wear it like a boots. As you can see, really cool model. And as you can see right now, you guys, really cool add-on. So how about let's go, let's eat some fruits. Let's go with this. Just hold the item and long press. As you can see, we've been given on this item, so all we have to do is just long press. And we've been given on this item automatically. So how about let's just take them off. And let's hold the item and long press to wear it. As you can see, the animation is still going, you guys. Really cool. And let's just hold this item and long press to deactivate. And let's just put this. Oh, it's just gonna be stuck in there. How about let's use another fruit. Let's go with this. Just hold the item and long press. As you can see, we've been given on this item, of course. And all we have to do, just hold the item and long press. And we've been given on this item, so all we have to do to wear it, just hold the item and long press. Oh, what is that? Oh, that is really
Oh my god!
no way. It's like one of One Piece power or Nami power, that stretching one. Really cool add-on, you guys. No way. So I'm just gonna moving on, because if I'm gonna try all the fruits, it's actually gonna take too much time. So if you're gonna download this add-on, and you're gonna find out it's just for you, you're gonna discover all of this. So you're gonna download this add-on. So moving on again, let's go to the Naruto. And let's go to Kurama. And let's just stuck with this. And just hold the item and long press to wear. No way, as you can see. Oh my god, the animation and the model and the textures. Really cool. All of them is super realistic. And there's actually a suit in here for Naruto in the chest plate. As you can see. Ooh, looks pretty cool, right? The textures, super realistic, you guys. And moving on to this. This is just an eye, but hey, just look at it. Textures, really cool. And moving on again, let's go to another. And let's go through this and this one. Let's go to Susano Itachi. As you can see, the models in this and the textures really cool, you guys. It is fully HD. And let's long press, and as you can see, what is this? Really cool. And as you can see right now, I just add the FOV and just look at it right now. No way, you guys, really cool. No way, this add-on is super realistic. And moving on, let's just take this off and let's hold this item with long press. And oh my god, what is this? Oh, really cool add-on, you guys. You can really use this add-on. As you can see, the model and the textures, and he is holding a dual blade. No way, super realistic. And moving on, let's go through this. Oh, no way, you guys. As you can see right there, really cool textures. And let's go through this. Oh my god, the model is super realistic. How about let's go through this? Oh my god, what is this? Oh, really cool textures, and the models too, and the animation, everything, you guys. It's super cool. And let's go to this. Oh, look at the animation when we wear it. Really cool. No way, you guys. And let's go to this. Oh, this is just an eye with unrealistic textures. How about let's go with this? Just the same too, just an eye, but it's really cool, you guys. And moving on again, let's go to Demon Slayer. Let's just gonna search the Tanjiro, and it's here, you guys, that diamond, and it has a name, Tanjiro. That is it. It's actually a sword, as you can see right there. Really cool model, you guys. Look at the sword, the katana. This is actually a katana. No way, super cool. And there's actually a suit for Demon Slayer. And as you can see right there, it's really pairy, guys. Super realistic. So if you're actually gonna hold the item and long press, as you can see, it goes with the realistic animation, you guys. No way, super cool. The model, the textures, everything super realistic. And let's go to another suit. Let's go to this. Oh my god, really cool add-on. And just look at it right now. But let's try all the sword or katana. Let's try this one. So as you can see, the model is super realistic. This is belong to One Piece, actually. No way. So if you're actually gonna hold the item and long press, it's actually gonna move that effect. And this is super realistic. Oh my god, what is this? No way, super realistic too. And look at the animation will be hold the item and long press. Oh, way super cool. And this one, what is this? It's actually really big. And this thing, oh, really cool model, guys. Super realistic. No way. And I guess that is just for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy. And before you go, please leave a like on this video. And if you're just new here, please subscribe my channel and click that notification bell to get notified to any Minecraft PE add-on showcase video I make. And if you wanna make an add-on request, guys, just comment it below so I can make a showcase of it. So bye, guys. See you next time. God bless. Stay safe and peace out. Bye.